a powerful electric pressure washer from a name you trust. The WPX 2300e from Westinghouse produces a maximum of 2,300 pounds of pressure and pumps up to 1.76 gallons of water per minute. Clean, renew, and rejuvenate surfaces with the WPX 2300e. Use the built-in 1.2-liter soap tank with soap applicator nozzle for wide area coverage to lift and release set-in stains on siding, windows, and cars. The 40-degree fan pattern nozzle is for powerful cleaning on boats and RVs or as a final rinse. The 25 and 15-degree nozzles are for deep cleaning wood, brick, and concrete, or for reaching those high and hard-to-reach places like gutters and chimneys. Finally, blast with precision using the high-pressure 0-degree nozzle for cleaning sidewalk cracks and driveways. The WPX 2300e is the ideal pressure washer for all your home needs. A stainless steel wand with brass quick connect fittings will easily change between nozzles. 25 feet of worry-free, abrasion-resistant hose connects with a reliable axial cam pump. 2,300 pounds of high-power cleaning for your toughest jobs. From Westinghouse, the WPX 2300e.